Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jellies at home. First, choose fresh, ripe fruit, as its natural pectin content is crucial for a good set. Next, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a large stock pot, a jelly bag or cheesecloth, and canning jars. Remember to sterilize your jars and lids by boiling them for at least 10 minutes to ensure food safety and proper sealing. This preparation is key to a successful batch of delicious homemade jelly. Now let's extract that flavorful juice. Begin by thoroughly washing your fruit and removing any unwanted parts. Place the prepared fruit in a large pot with just enough water to prevent scorching, then simmer until it's very soft. Once cooked, carefully pour the fruit into a jelly bag or several layers of cheesecloth suspended over a bowl. Allow it to drip naturally for several hours to get clear juice, resisting the urge to squeeze, which can make your jelly cloudy. With your juice ready, it's time to cook the jelly. Measure your juice and sugar precisely, adding any commercial pectin if your fruit is low in natural pectin. Bring the mixture to a rapid, rolling boil that cannot be stirred down, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Cook until it reaches the gelling point, which you can test by dripping a small amount onto a cold spoon or freezer plate. Once it sets, it's ready for canning. Finally, let's preserve your delicious creation. Carefully ladle the hot jelly into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the rims clean, apply the lids, and tighten the bands finger tight. Process the jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes to ensure a safe, airtight seal. After processing, let them cool undisturbed for 24 hours. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book on financial wisdom and other exclusive deals. Store your sealed jars in a cool, dark place and enjoy your homemade jelly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.